friends, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching the video of property. In this video we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, boundaries of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the street property location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay.
Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this property. The property itself features credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The location of the property is outstanding. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings.
One category of room is available online. Enjoy your stay.
Several reviews and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policies.
You can do so through the link provided in the description. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.